Oh no, I've just died. Oh. So I meant to. Hi, Hayden.
I'm doing it on Lambo.
Yeah. If you want to, actually. Guys, make sure to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Savage Farm. Oh guys, we can try again.
I'm not being funny, you can try. No, lie down. You're watching this, aren't you? No, lie down, not touching this.
Oh no guys, I've just died. Hi, I am recording. Hi, I am recording, dude. Come on, please say a message. Please? I'll kiss you. Not actually. That would be gay, dude. Did you know that from me? Oh, sorry if that lagged on yours. I didn't turn that down, please.
You smell smoke? Now that you mention it.
Oh, I remember that YouTuber.
Is that you?
No, 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 no.
I didn't eat any burritos.
No, no. Hello, kitty.
The pain must be clogging up. I gotta get it out of here.
I am back, guys. Okay, I am recording. Someone just said hi, then I felt like to say hi to that person and then say I am recording. Oh! Waka waka. There's a great fail. Okay, guys. See you in a bit. Actually, again, guys. Okay, then. Yo, I'm feeling like a rock star. Yo. Yeah. You're the roughest, toughest person on the planet. My tablet is just playing Roblox. Oh, how dare you not wake up. Oh, how dare you push me. That's it, you're ground. He pushed me. How dare him. Did someone answer me? No. Hi, I am recording. Stop, boys. Who? Me? Who, me, girl? No. Okay. One. Big. Four. Friend. No. Friends. Friends are meant. Friends. I want to be friends with people. I will survive. Friends. Send me a friend request. Send me a friend. Okay then. I'm gonna be a friend then. She wants me to. Yay! Your friends, girl! Okay, good, I'm gonna be savage. Whoa! Waka waka. Wow! There's a ball I can play with. Yay! Yeah, ball again. We can't, yeah. I'll follow her actually. Where is she? Oh, hell yeah. Yes, you are mine. I know, dude. I know, girl. I am you. I know you. You are my friend. I know. Okay, with a happy face. It's friends. No! Pretty play 5. I've just died. I know how to do this cheering. Slash a cheer. Spell that, look, see, ta-da! Hi, McGill. Hey. Hey. Hello, kitty. I am savage. One back, one back, one back. Savage mode. Hi, love you.
Guys, what are you doing all day?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You're playing games.
We just started.
Did you get breakfast?
Yeah.
Did you go to the swimming pool?
No.
Okay, so let's go to the beach.
It's what the girl said. Did you go and get what the kid said first? Did you have in that?
Kitty. Ticka, 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 ticka.
I don't have it.
Hi, hey guys. Comment down below. You look like me. Okay, okay, everyone, up to here. Please, please. Hey, dude, please don't push me. Okay, I'm following her. She's my friend. No! No, go! Okay. It's really lol. 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 Love. Love who? Who, dude? Oh my god, she loves somebody. Doesn't matter, I won't make fun of her. Because she won't subscribe. Okay then, guys. If it goes one closer here. Okay then, I'm gonna be savage and just to be a second. Jump over there. Yo! Hey girl. Look at me. Oh! Oh, Kitty, don't do my camel, please. Okay. Hey guys, I've got kitties. Okay then, school's hashtag long. No! Okay then, guys, guess what? Oh, baby, it's a triple. Oh my god, oh yeah. No. No. I've been a dumb bat. Nothing. Okay, guys, see you soon. With gamer. Okay, my cable just came off. Probably do a Minecraft survival gameplay in a bit. So yeah, but after I finish this match I'll say peace me out. Okay then, guys. Okay, peace me out. 1 minute. Watch this. Watch this. I will survive. 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 Look, I will survive. Just trust me. See? Peace me out. A bottom of my heart. Peace.